going to be sighting in, seeing if these iron sights are sighting, because the scope is absolutely booty buns. Come look at the group. We're trying to sight it in. We get so close here. First shot, there. Second, there. Third, there. Fourth, right there. And then there's all just everywhere. Yep.
I shot it once, and I think I got...
you hit right there.
I know, because I've never shot a pellet gun in my... Well, I've only shot it once. And...
But anyway,
it was when we went pheasant hunting.
So, we're squirrel hunting today.
Yeah.
And that's one of the reasons I've never seen these type of pellets. They look cool. We were shooting with them yesterday at the target when we were trying to sight.
There's BBs in it.
There's it's almost like a BB on top of the pellet. And then we got the normal. This is what probably has a running at least a lot. That's the pointed one, so we'll probably shoot more for this because I don't know if this will, but we'll see. Now, yeah, target. This is what the little things look like. See, it's like see how it's like a little BB on top of it? Shoot it at that target down there. I'm going to fix that. Alright, then. It's about 20 to 15 yards. You can zoom in on the target one.
I've zoomed all the way. Let's go check on it.
You see it?
No. I don't even know how to judge.
I think it's right there. Right there. Shoot again. Alright, let's go shoot again. Go, go, go on the left side. See that, see that.
You just kicked the elbow at the camera.
Probably a squirrel up in that tree over there filming. No, not that tree. The tree on the other side of the road. The other side of the road. On the other side of the road. On the other side of the road. There's probably one up there. Ready? Yeah.
What's happening?
That was a bad shot. That would be right and low. Hey, that's it. Hold on, let me try from closer. Maybe that's it right there. No. Let me try from closer. It better be sighted in.
Well,
Also, it's not really shot. No, it was backwards, so it's.
oh.
Why'd you film? Are you filming? Sorry about that last film. I accidentally put the bullet in backwards. It's 12. Let's go a little closer. At least hit it right. At least hit the squirrel. So it's a little right, but which is fine. If I can just get my aim. Just keep shooting.
It hit him in the butt. It didn't?
Oh wait, yeah, that might be it. That one or that one. It was either one of these two. We definitely missed one.
Yep.
So the shots aren't too bad. And a squirrel's probably just a little bit bigger than this.
Yeah, so.
One more shot.
One more.
We go hunting. It could also just be the type of bullets I have in. So we're gonna start using those, the pointage. See if I can get that. Do you see anything?
No.
Hit somewhere.
Yeah. Want to go hunting now?
Yes, go hunting. Hopefully we can hit something.
Lamar, edit the camera, you are.
Actually, no. You gotta shoot the pointed one first.
Oh, sure, yeah.
There's a big difference. These might blow away in the wind way too much. Look at the difference of the size. Oh, heck no. We are not hunting with this. I can just shoot those. But, like, yeah. These ones. That might be why we've had such bad luck. Yes. Because it better be better.
Yeah.
These ones are so much better. See, these are the big boys.
Yeah. Look. I'll show them in there.
Alright, you can stop filming. Oh, okay, let's go. Pause it. These are 22. So they're not going to fit in this gun. So I guess we're going to have to hit the squirrel with them. I was like, why are they so big? But look at 22.
22. Where'd that go?
Bring it.
All right.
Alright. Shoot the squirrel again. Hopefully hit it. That was not good. So inside of the area, but it wasn't even on the aired sides. Hard sides. Need to get it. I think just perfectly. Let's go squirrel hunting. All right, we're here. We're going down to the special squirrel spot under the deck.
See you when we get there.
I'm just acting like I'm looking for it. Alright guys, I'm here to tell you what happened in that squirrel hunt. My phone died. It's charging right now. And Ben's, reason this is Ben's phone. So we can film. Well, what happened was, I shoot it, right? I shoot the bow, I shoot the squirrel with my pellet gun, which the sights, I hit the can once off camera. And the sights are just, we can maybe one day. But it shoots right, so maybe I should have just aimed right, because I know that now, because me and my dad were shooting, so aim a little right, I guess. Just like the scope hit right. So, yeah, when I shot, I missed. I think we got that on camera. And the squirrel started, like, barking at me, like, right after. Well, you know the little grunt thing they do. And
It was a warning call.
Probably. Yeah, it was like they were just, like, alerting each other. Because there's another one up there. And as soon as I put the pellet in and put the thing up, and then as soon as I did the first, like, little pump, it ran away. We stayed out for 5 minutes, see if they would come back, because I checked behind the tree, and they didn't. So we went, and on the way back, we shot at a dove, which we think we hit and injured it, and it could die. So we're gonna, in a little bit, we're gonna go down there and check. Stay tuned for part 2 of this series. I tried to kill a squirrel, this is a little embarrassing, but like my first squirrel I've actually shot, because I've shot one with like my parents. Well, I don't go squirrel hunting a lot, or any hunting. I go when I go in a high, but it's usually pheasant or duck hunting, and I don't film it. But hopefully this series will get my first one, and we're gonna go check that dove on part 2, see if we killed it, because we see the tree that was on it. It like flew away weird when I hit it. So there's like 3 other ones behind where I couldn't get a shot off. And they just sat there, didn't they, Ben? You can talk to.
Well, it's so.
The other ones like just flew away, and he just sat there for like a little bit.
Left, like it was like he left the buddy like there, like.
Yeah, all the 2 other ones, they just flew away, and he just sat there for a little bit, and they flapped kind of weird, and you know that little sound it makes whenever you think. So I may have hit him somewhere.
You probably
with the pellet gun, in the butt, and maybe it'll slowly bleed out and die.
Yeah. And so we'll check it soon on part 2.
Also, let us know if you want us. Yeah, never mind. And, here's one of the real reasons we came in here. Get up. Alright, I'll get up. Let me try to take this off without y'all seeing it. Wait, I don't need that one. Here's my bow. I don't know if I've ever showed this on YouTube. Oh shoot. But I've got it like a year ago. And I didn't shoot it that much. And we're gonna shoot it today.
No, not today.
Here we are. We're just shooting 3.
Alright.
I told you that. I don't have the release, so I'm just gonna pull it back with my fingers on a monitor. Watch out, Ben.
Isn't that the release?
That's mine. Yeah. But aim. Let go. So let's take it down there. Okay, we're going down there. Might be a little bit worse of quality since it's on Ben's phone. No offense, but it's my old phone and it's a little bit buns. But I'm going down right now. See you in a little bit. It's filming upside down for the last little bit, but we're heading out right now. Bye. Alright.
I'll film the
I'm only going for 10 yards right now. Come back to where I'm shooting from, Ben. Might not even be 10 yards. Come back, Ben, to me. All the way to me. Show me. So they know how far. And then get behind me, maybe. Get behind me. Get behind me.
Tell me if they can see it on the camera.
Yeah. They can see it. First shot. I'm not very good at my bow. I was aiming dead center. It's not terrible. I'll show you after where these hit. I mean, we're like a good 10 yards only. Maybe like 7.
Yeah, we're
Needless
pretty
to say, we're
close.
close.
Well, and we're not Kendall Gray. Like, have a lot of experience with the bow. We're not Kendall Gray.
I just wanted to show y'all this just like little video. I mean,
That's
maybe good enough to kill a deer. I mean, injure it, yeah, hit it. Let's back up a little bit for this one.
Kendall Gray has killed a moose, only went 30 yards, then just dropped.
Alright, we're about. I mean, this is more about like 12 yards, maybe.
Yeah.
It's actually pretty good. Decent little shot. That was horrible.
That was in the dirt.
Let's shoot that one again.
Alright. That was horrible. Guys, let's check on the middle life some more. Well, you can see him a little bit at the top. See that, guys? Okay.
But also, guys, think about it.
It's probably like,
You're in a stand, so you're kind of shooting down, so this is a little bit fun. If you're in a stand, you'll be kind of like. Oh,
that
man.
shot, Eli, though, last time was horrible. That shot last time was horrible.
What?
The one that went.
I might need to pull back. Maybe aim
higher.
with the red.
Like,
It needs to be higher.
aim higher.
There we go.
Yeah,
Hit the target.
hit the target. Show you where the shots are.
Dude, this is where that broken one is. This tip's in there.
Oh, the tip?
They can't even see it. Shots. They can't see the shots, man. They can't even see that. Oh, horrible.
I'm horrible.
Hey, see that? See this? It's stuck. And then there's the shot. We're gonna shoot 3 more. 3 more. 3 more. All right. Pause. Get these out.
We are back.
This is just like a little fun video, though. I have for y'all today. Just kind of
What's
chilling,
the best shots?
doing some stuff, showing y'all. Haven't posted some outdoor stuff in a while. I mean, I don't usually. I do this stuff a lot, guys. Well, I haven't shot my bow in a while.
No.
But we go out, like, I just don't film this stuff usually. But I'm going to start doing it. It's just a basketball, baseball, you know what I'm saying? Oh, I thought that was good. I was wiggling too much. I mean, I hit the target at least. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, Eli, what kind of bow is this? Like, seriously, I don't know.
Compound, then.
It-
It's got a compound.